So why do we need to care so much about the periodic table? This is because the elements in the modern-day periodic table comprise everything in nature. By studying the elements and its arrangements in the atomic order, you can understand the properties of these elements, their relationship with each other, and also predict the properties of those elements that are yet to be discovered.
What's in a name?
The periodic table gets its name because of the way the elements are arranged in rows and columns. The horizontal rows, which go from left to right, are called periods, and the vertical columns, which go from up to down, are called groups.
The rarest ones.
In the naturally occurring category, the element astatine is the rarest element on Earth. With the atomic number 85, and carrying the atomic weight of 210, astatine is present in less than 1 gram in Earth's crust at any one time. Discovered in 1940, very little is known about this highly radioactive element.
The 4 new members got certified on the chart.
In 2016, 4 newly discovered elements were given their official names and position in the periodic table. The International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, IUPAC, approved their names and positions as nihonium, moscovium, tennessine, and oganesson. 3 of the elements were named after the location of their scientists' institutions: tennessine, Tennessee; nihonium, Japan; and moscovium, Moscow. The 4th element, oganesson, was named after Yuri Oganessian, a nuclear physics professor at the Joint Institute for Nuclear Research, Moscow.
Mendeleev got featured.
The element 101 is named after the father of the modern periodic table, as mendeleevium, a radioactive element that is made in small amounts. Mendeleevium has no specific uses so far, outside of scientific research, due to its fleeting nature. While creating the earlier version, the periodic table had blank spaces for elements to be discovered later on. Mendeleev correctly predicted the weights and chemical behaviors of some of these missing elements: gallium, scandium, and germanium. To name these 3 elements, Mendeleev borrowed Sanskrit terminology, eka, divi, tri, for the first, second and third higher analogues, and named the elements as eka aluminium, for gallium, eka boron, for scandium, and eka silicon, germanium. Inspiration from playing cards. Dmitri Mendeleev was very fond of card games. That's why, while aligning the elements on the periodic table, he wrote the weight for each element on a separate index card and sorted them in the style of the popular card game solitaire. Elements with similar properties formed a suit that he placed in columns ordered by ascending atomic weight. The periodic table has a naming tradition too. According to the naming guidelines, the elements in the periodic table are named after heavenly bodies, famous scientists, place where it was discovered, property of the element, mythological concept or character. Hope you enjoyed reading these facts about the periodic table. We all have different ways to remember the elements in order from the periodic table. Share your unique technique with us in the comments below.